Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Frank James Marshall and Hyman Rogosin. This game was played in New York in 1940. Frank James Marshall had white pieces and he started with e4. Hyman Rogosin played c5, the Sicilian defense. b4, the wing gambit. C takes on b4. The wing gambit accepted. a3, offering one more pawn. Knight to c6. A takes on b4. Knight to f6. If knight takes on b4, white sometimes plays d4 or sometimes c3, and after knight to c6, d4 with a strong center. Back to our game. Knight to f6. b5, attacking the knight, knight to d4. c3, attacking the knight again, knight to e6. e5, attacking another knight, knight to d5. c4. Is this a battle between foot soldiers and knights? Knight on d to f4, g3. Knight to g6, f4, threatening, f5. White is better. Black to move. One of the knights lost his patience. However, if knight to d4, knight to f3, and if knight takes knight, queen takes knight, white has a huge space advantage. White is better. In this position we have a knight sacrifice. Knight takes on f4. Someone suggested that the other knight should have taken the pawn. G takes on f4, knight takes on f4, d4 attacking the knight, knight to g6, h4, threatening h5, giving a nightmare to the knight. Marshall's pawns are on steroids. e6, h5, bishop to b4 check. If knight goes to e7, then the bishop on f8 would be blocked, and nobody knows how bishop would react. I hope he wouldn't be swearing. Back to our game. So Rogosin played bishop to b4 check, sending a strong message. Stop pushing pawns at me. And Marshall had to stop pushing pawns, but only temporarily. Bishop to d2. Bishop takes on d2, knight takes on d2, saving the knight. Knight to e4, knight to f5. Well, Rogosin considered castling, but he was scared of Marshall's crazy pawns. So he played knight to f5, but h6 was played anyway. g6, knight to f6 check, and black lost his castling rights, but Rogosin relieved that pawns stopped coming forward. Knight to f3. Black pieces need some breathing space, so next move makes sense. Just kidding. d6 was played. Knight to g5. d takes on e5. d takes on e5. In general, rule says if you lack space, exchange pieces. Queen takes queen check. Rook takes queen. But black is still lacking space. King to e7. Rook to h3. b6. If something like rook to d8, rook takes on d8, king takes on d8, knight on g takes on h7. White is winning. b6 intending bishop to b7. Bishop to g2, preventing black from playing bishop to b7. Rogosin, player with black pieces, was so frustrated. He couldn't make any move. In his frustration, he was tempted to do these boxer things, to reach for a towel and wipe his face and then say these words: I offer a draw. The game continued. Rook to b8. White played a move when black resigned, and the move is knight from g takes on h7. Player with the black pieces, Rogosin, resigned. For the entertainment purpose, I will show you just one line. Which one should I pick? Bishop to b7, intending to exchange more pieces. Well, this is quite a short line. Can you see why? How would you continue? Rook to d7. Check, mate. What a game. What a game. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.